Okay, first of all, we need to put on the backdrop fabric. I lower the stand because it will help me to set up everything. After that, I will raise up the stand. Okay, and then use the hook like this on the stand. Okay, look, this is the hook like this. And then let's put on the shimmer wall panel. Just put the shimmer wall sample on the hook will be okay. Since I'm holding the foam, it's not convenient to show you the procedure. I will show you the effect. Just put the panel on the hook will be okay. Okay, look, this is the effect after I hang up the shimmer wall. Let's zoom in to check the hook. This is the hook. It will not affect the whole effect. Okay, about the step-by-step tutorial for how to assemble the shimmer wall, click here for the detailed tutorial. I don't repeat the procedure on this video. Okay, then let's make the flower arrangement. Okay, first of all, we need to cut off the floral foam. Look at this foam ball. This is my first time to use the floral foam like this. Okay, now we need to cut a small piece off. Look, I will cut 10 cm. Here. Okay, I cut the floral foam like this. Actually, it's not easy to cut it off. Maybe we need to use some special tool. Okay, maybe we don't have to use this 5 cm thick of floral foam. Maybe 3 cm will be better. Anyway, let's put on the flowers. Okay, about the flowers. Put our flower head together with the flower stem. I use soft stem. Just put it on the foam will be okay. A lot of flowers. And also the leaf. Okay, I will show you the effect. About how to arrange the flower to make the runner. Please click here for the step-by-step tutorial. I don't repeat the procedure on this video. Okay, I will show you the effect after I complete. Okay, completed with the flower runner. And then I need to tie them onto the pole. Okay, look, after I tie them on the pole, and then I will also tie it onto the backdrop. I will show you the effect. Okay, look, this is the effect after I tie on the flower runner. And then I will tie the love letter on the backdrop. You can tie it with some fishing line. And I will use the hook. Look, we can hook on this way. I will show you the effect because I'm holding the foam. It's not much convenient. I'll show you the effect. Okay, completed. Let's check the effect. Please do me a favor, but do not skip the advertisement because I want the revenue from YouTube to buy more material and take more video. Okay, look, this is the whole effect. Now let's zoom in to check the detail. And also for your information, we supply all material used on our video. The flower, the leaf, the shimmer wall panel, fabric, also the love letter. If you are interested to order, find the link to my blog and Facebook page. You can find the link from my information field below this video. Send me a message via Facebook page for quotation will be okay. Okay, put a fence in front of the backdrop to make some rain, so the come out will be much more lively. Okay. Okay, this is today's tutorial. Thank you for your watching. Bye.